Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you 7 powerful acupressure points that can do wonders for your eye health.
We'll focus on improving blood circulation around the eyes, releasing built-up tension, and easing the symptoms of dry eyes. Whether you spend hours in front of a screen, struggle with eye fatigue, or simply want to give your eyes a well-deserved break, these techniques will help you relax and rejuvenate your vision naturally.
Let's dive in and give your eyes the care they truly need. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get started.
Let's start with Jinmin Xue. It is located just beside the inner corners of your eyes. This is where the meridian channels that affect your vision begin. But here's what's less obvious. When massaging Jinmin, you are not just promoting circulation in your eyes. By stimulating this point, you are also affecting the liver meridian, an organ closely tied to your eyes in traditional Chinese medicine. Liver stagnation, stress, or even emotional tension can manifest as blurred vision or dryness. So, massaging this point can help release liver-related stress, reducing these symptoms. It's important to use circular movements, but also apply alternating pressure, gentle and slightly firmer. This alternation mimics the natural rhythm of qi flow, enhancing the effects. Now, moving up to Zanzhu Xue, found at the base of your eyebrows. You may have massaged this point without realizing it when you are tired or have a headache. What's fascinating is that Zanzhu has a deeper function. Regular stimulation of this point doesn't just ease eye strain, it also has a surprising impact on how your optic nerves communicate with your brain. That's right, it helps improve the synchronization between your eyes and brain, sharpening visual clarity. Press down, hold for 10 seconds, and gently release. This helps unblock any stuck qi that may be slowing down communication between your eyes and your brain. Now to a more subtle point, Yu Yao Xue, located right in the middle of your eyebrow. It's lesser known but essential. You see, Yu Yao isn't just about relieving eye fatigue. When massaged regularly, this point enhances the flexibility of your eye muscles, allowing for better focus, both for near and far vision. It's like a natural exercise for your eye's zoom function. Press this area lightly. It's a great way to wake up the muscles involved in focusing. With regular stimulation, you may find that your eyes can adjust between distances more effortlessly. Heading towards the outer end of the eyebrow, we find Sizhu Kongxue. This point is intriguing because it's connected not only to eye tension but also to emotional tension. Ever noticed how your eyes feel heavy when you are stressed or overwhelmed? That's because stress stagnates qi flow in this region. Massaging Sizhu Kongxue helps release this tension and enhances peripheral vision by unblocking qi flow along the gallbladder meridian. We can't forget the classic Taiyang Xue located at the temples. Yes, it's well known for headache relief, but here's what's fascinating. Taiyang is especially effective for alleviating the pressure caused by screen time. With our digital lifestyles, the strain we place on our eyes can lead to digital eye fatigue. But consistent massage here helps recalibrate the pressure around your eyes and temples. Use your fingers to gently massage the area in small circles. You'll notice the heaviness around your eyes slowly dissipates. Next, we move to Sibai Xue, just below the eye socket. This point holds a hidden power. It helps with circulation not only in the eyes but in the skin around the eyes. When regularly massaged, it can reduce dark circles and puffiness while improving blood flow to the eye tissues. Massage here with a soft upward motion to encourage lymphatic drainage. It's a natural way to brighten the area and support your vision at the same time. Finally, let's focus on 三尺穴 located at the base of the skull. This point is key because it addresses tension in the neck and shoulders, which can indirectly affect your vision. When neck tension builds up, it reduces the flow of blood and energy to your eyes, often resulting in blurry or tired vision. Use your fingers to massage this point, starting gently and gradually increasing the pressure. As you release tension here, you are indirectly boosting blood flow to your eyes, giving them the nutrients they need to stay sharp.
By incorporating these simple yet powerful massages into your daily routine, you are not only relaxing your eyes, but also improving and supporting your vision. Remember, it's all about consistency and mindfulness. Your eyes deserve the care. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips from China.